In this short video, I'll be showing you the join grading command, which is part of the Kobi Toolkit for Civil 3D. This is a new command in our latest release. To demonstrate this, in my model right now, you can see I've got some grading here and I've got some grading here, and I want to join these up. Okay. Basically a transition. So to demonstrate this, we're going to come up here to the Kobi Toolkit for Civil 3D ribbon. Then we're going to come over here to the Surface and Grading panel, and underneath Copy Grading, we're going to go to the drop down and we're going to see Join Gradings. So we're going to select that. At the command line it says select your first grading, so I'm just going to pick this. This is just a contour. I'm going to pick this. Then it says select your second one, so I'm going to grab this grading here, and there you can automatically see it, and in 3D you can also see how it's going to grade. So I'm happy with that. I'm going to press enter. Then I'm going to come back up here again. I'm going to select on Join Grading, select this contour, and then this contour. There again, you'll see the grading in 3D. You'll see how it's going to grade. I'm going to press enter, and that's completed it. This concludes this short video on Join Grading. Hope you enjoyed it, and thanks for watching.